I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: OneNote installed and your institutional account signed in. Once done, create a class notebook so you have a content library, collaboration space, and individual student notebooks. Make sure to assign clear teacher versus student permissions when you create sections. Next, link the notebook to your LMS or Microsoft Teams for seamless distribution and gradebook alignment. This first setup saves time later because structure determines how easily you can push materials and collect student work. Now you craft lessons that invite participation. Build pages using templates, ink annotations, images, audio narrations, and embedded videos to hit visual, auditory, and kinesthetic modes. Once pages exist, link them into a logical sequence and apply tags for key concepts and to DOS so students scan quickly. Make reusable templates for quizzes and exit tickets to save prep time. Also enable collaboration space for group tasks, and use class notebook assignment tools to distribute, collect, and return. To finish, distribute assignments and set clear due dates. Include a rubric page inside each student notebook so expectations are visible. Once submissions return, use OneNote's review tools to annotate, grade, and export pages or sync grades back to your LMS. Make sure you audit notebooks for completeness before closing a unit. If something goes wrong, like missing pages or sync errors, first verify the signed in account, notebook permissions, and internet connection. Then force a sync or clear the app cache to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.